Oh yeah, oh yeah. Guys, the Fendi baguette bags, they do lose those. Anything with pearls, they lose the pearls. The Jimmy Choo shoes, it loses its pearls. I'm just saying. These pieces do not necessarily last. And they are not the best to actually have in your wardrobe. Because you know what happens to them? It leaves you with patches all over the garment that looks absolutely like when a dog has a skin-eating disease. Yeah, doesn't look good. I'm just saying. A liar. A liar. What are you doing? The mesh ones? Like the ones that are being dupified everywhere? That's my word, by the way. Seriously? And so many people are claiming they're comfy. How? 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 Okay. They won't work for you. Don't listen to them. They're lying. They're not that comfy. Other items you should never consider buying are those jelly sandals. These type of shoes, plastic shoes, such as these, I am so glad that they never really get to take off. Jelly sandals are essentially plastic. They're plastic. They are actually very common in the Caribbean, places like St. Vincent and the Grenadines where I'm from. My dad, road workers, like laborers on that maintain the streets, they wear them a lot. My brother wore them a lot because they're convenient, they're cheap. They are also not comfortable. They're sweaty. They're plastic. And I see brands coming out with them charging you exorbitantly. Are you serious? They're plastic. The same can be said for items such as the plastic vacation Chanel bags. Shoes that are literally made from plastic. They are not comfortable. They dig into your feet. And I know that because there's a particular piece from Zara that I absolutely love, and it almost 10 minutes standing up. And you want to tell everybody in the room. I'm telling you, with these shoes. From just wearing it for about 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. Guys, they're not worth it. They're literally plastic. So these are items that you should really reconsider bringing into your wardrobe because they're not worth it. If you want to buy them, you do you. Think of Area. Area has some denims that just look so good. It's a no for me. To add to that, Area also adds those fashion jewelry pieces that actually turns green. Make it make sense. To wash these items, it's practically impossible because you can't wash them. To dry clean them, it's gonna cost you. And it's so destructive. It's not friendly. Dry cleaning utilizes not only so much chemicals, but so much energy. I don't know what else to say. If you still think you need those pieces in your lives, if you think that you should go rush out there and put them in your cart, I mean, wow. Wow. Needless to say that when those pieces, when those embellishments, when the little crystals, the little fuzz, beads, pearls, when these get into the waterways, fish go after shiny things. For some reason, they love shiny things. Guys, these are definite things to consider when you're purchasing, not only for the holiday season, but for any season.
Walmart, ladies and gentlemen, has put out a handbag that seems to be inspired by the famous Hermes Birkin bag.
Yeah, this is Walmart?
And yes, it is, and it has become a hit.
Wow.
It looks very,
Yes, that
very
one
similar
does.
to it. So some people are calling it the Wirkin. Walmart Birkin, it's working, and it starts at $78.
Everybody is talking about these Walmart Birkin bags. Now, these are obviously now sold out, but it literally says these are the Birkin bag, handbag Kelly. Are these similar to a Birkin bag? Are they made in the same factory as a Birkin bag, or are they actually genuine Birkin bags? They're only $90.90.
It's a no for me. I see the need for necessary plastics. And this is my coin. Necessary plastics may include stuff like umbrellas. You need it for the rain. Raincoats. You need that. Nets. Fish nets. Yes. Even garbage bins. Those are made from plastic. I could consider those as necessary plastic because you keep on reusing them over and over again. I'm sure that you know of some other necessary plastic that we can't often do without them. If you know the other necessary plastics, let me know in the comment section below. I love to hear what you think are some necessary plastics. But these shoes, these bags, honestly, they are not worth it. They are literally plastic. And you have no privacy with them. None. You could see through them. Other necessary plastic includes firemen clothes, hoses that the firemen use if they're made from plastic. Those are essential. And that's the reason why I want to get rid of unnecessary plastic in the fashion industry. It's too destructive. It consumes too much energy to produce them. Even recycled polyester, I'm beginning not to like. Because recycled polyester, you often have to add new polyester to it in order to strengthen it with the old recycled polyester, just to enhance the tensile strength of that garment. So these things are definitely not sustainable. Other items that you should not even consider buying are nostalgic items. Seriously? Why? Why? That's my question. Why? It's really time that we give ourselves, our pockets a break, and importantly, just give the planet a little break, a tiny little break. Seriously, it deserves it. Otherwise, it wouldn't be able to hold us anymore. Guys, and most importantly, do not buy anything new unless it's for your survival. So many things in this world today that we absolutely do not need to buy anything new. I think oftentimes we are too driven by greed. We are too competitive just against each other. We just want everything. We are not at peace. We are not at purse peace, shoe peace, no peace. Because conspicuous consumption is not only promoted or encouraged, it's the thing to get you to what you aspire the LV bag or the Hermes bag, or the $1,000 piece from Chanel. It would meet your expectations, so therefore you consume mindlessly. But this video is to advise or let you know that these are not necessary items and they actually don't last, and it would cost you not only to buy them if you do, but if you are actually bent on buying these things, please check the second-hand market and be mindful of the fact that the second-hand market is saturated with newly produced items. Listen, I am not here to police your wallet. I'm not here to police you in any way. God knows. Yeah, there's enough of that going on out there. But based on my experience with these items, in terms of faux leather, is that what you want? Seriously, do you want to waste your money for this? Not policing, not policing. But based on my experience, do you want to go through that? Do you want to go through that, all that high maintenance stuff? Faux leather, that doesn't last. You have seen my last video on that one. Another set of items to not bring into your wardrobe because they don't last. Guys, I love you. And hopefully that you learned something and that you're well informed. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye.